In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Calendly meeting reminders. By the end, your invitees will get a polished reminder email automatically, and you'll reduce no-shows without lifting a finger. Start on your Calendly dashboard and head to the Workflows area, which is where Calendly manages automations tied to your event types. Inside Workflows, choose the template called Email Reminder to Invitee and add it to your account. Using the template means the essential reminder logic is already in place, so you can focus on tailoring it rather than building from scratch. Give your workflow a clear, descriptive name so you can identify it at a glance later. Pair the event name with the timing you'll use, like Discovery Call, 24HR, Reminder. Clear names make maintenance easy as your library of workflows grows and prevent confusion when you need to tweak something quickly. Decide which event this reminder should apply to. You can target a single event type or apply it across multiple event types. If your events have different formats, audiences, or preparation requirements, keep the scope narrow so each reminder feels relevant and on brand for that specific experience. Edit when the workflow should be triggered and choose how long before the meeting the reminder goes out. Popular options are 1 day before, 1 hour before, or a combination that fits your audience. Aim for a time that's helpful but not disruptive. Consider time zones and typical working hours to boost open rates and attendance and to avoid pinging people late at night. Move into the details section to confirm who receives the message and any conditions you want to apply. Make sure the recipient is the invitee, not the host, and verify how the workflow behaves if an event is updated or cancelled. Keeping these rules simple improves reliability and avoids duplicate or confusing emails. Click Done to lock in those settings. Back on the workflow, open the Do This section and launch the email editor to customize the draft. Keep the subject short and clear and use Calendly's dynamic fields to automatically pull in details like the event name, date, time, and location, or join link. In the body, set expectations. Restate the purpose, confirm the duration, and note anything they should prepare. Mention the join method, such as a video link or a physical location, and keep the tone friendly to encourage a quick reply if they need to reschedule. When your email looks good, click Done, then click Save to activate the workflow. Your automated reminder is now live. From here, monitor how invitees respond and refine the timing or wording over time. Keep messages concise, confirm the join method clearly, and choose timing that balances helpfulness with courtesy. With this in place, you'll spend less time chasing confirmations and more time on great meetings.